Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class and the subject is mathematics. In this video we are going to see the monthly test MNT-04's answers. Okay, so these are the topic list which we are covered in this monthly test MNT-04. So the question 1 was there, 1 by 8 is equals to how much? So 1 by 8 we can do directly as a division, or okay, there is another way also. As we know, 1 by 4 is equals to 0.25. Okay, so 1 by 4 again we will divide it with a 2 to the 1, means here multiplication of the 2. Okay, like this one means this 2 has to divided with this 1 by 4 also again. So again we will divide it by 2 here. So that is also one way, means here 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4, 1 balance. Here already decimal is there, means 1 will be the 10. So 2 5s are and this 0.125. So like this one, option number 3 is the correct. And another way is there 8 and here the division to the 8 1, sorry, so it cannot be divided, so we will take a decimal point here, so 0 point, so it will comes 10 now. So 8 ones are 8. Okay, so remainder is 2, means 20. So now 8 twos are 16. Okay, so remaining is 4, means 40. So 8 fives are 40. Okay, so remainder is a 0. So means quotient is 0.125 and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 2, 66 seconds equals to how many minutes? So 66 seconds means we have to divide it with a 60 seconds, because we know the 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, so 6 tens are 6 11s are, okay, so means 11 and divided by with a 10. So 10 ones are, okay, so here 1 remaining. Now we will take a decimal, sorry, not a 0, only the decimal. So now here the 0 will come. Now 10 ones are, so here the 1 will be there. So 10 ones are 10, so remainder will be the 0. Now 1 point and 1, so 1.1 means option number 4. Then question number 3, what is the place value of the underlined digit in a given the number? Okay, so 83.215, so this underline to the 5, so this is on the, so this decimal, after this one this is the 10th, then 100th, and this is the 1000th. Okay, so means 0.005, so 0.005 means option number 1 is the correct one. Question number 4, which is the greatest decimal number from the following? So in this one the greatest means 0.3 here, 0.03, 0.004, and then 0.0005, and then 0.1. Now in this one the unit place is all having the 0. Okay, so we will compare on 1/10. So 1/10 here the 3, here 0 0 0, and here the 1, means this is always be greater than. Okay, as we are going from the decimal also toward the left, increasing with the digits, we are getting the more and more the digit, we can say the greater number. Okay, same things after the decimal also, which is the left, suppose here the 1 digit and here also 1 digit. Okay, so this digit means 1 by 10 is always be greater than 1 by 100th. Okay, always remember this one. So as per this one, these all are the, means these 3 numbers are smaller than these 2 numbers. Okay, so now comparison in between these 2 only. Now 3 is a greater than the 1, so means 0.3 is a greater. So this is given in option number 3. Question number 5, 31.02 plus 73.19 is equals to how much? Now we will add the respective places. So 2 is the 1 by 100th and here the 9 is a 1 by 100th. Okay, so 2 plus 9, that is 11, 1 here, 1 carry, so 1 plus 1 2, and plus 0 means 2. Then decimal point as it is, then 1 plus 3 is a 4 and 7 plus 3 is a 10. So 104.21, and this is given in option number 4. Then question number 6, the difference between the two number is 37.39. If one of the number is 12.37, what is the other number? Suppose this number, okay, and one more number. So this number, suppose this is the square, okay, or we can say the blank. So from this number and this number there is a difference is equals to this, means from this number if we are divided subtracted this one, so is equals to this number, means 37.39. okay, means in another way, if we add this number, means 12.37 in a 37.39, we will get this number. okay, so means 37.39 and 12.37. so after this one we will get 50.16, and 50.16 is given in option number 3. Now question number 7, 291.57 plus 32.67 plus 2.080 is equals to how much? Now here the 10th and the 100th, here the 10th and the 100th, here the 10th and the 100th. After this one the 0, so this 0 is no meaning. okay, so only the up to the 100th. So here 7 plus 8, so we will consider that one. So that is equals to the 7 plus 7 14 plus 8 is a 22. so here the 2 and 2 is a carry, so 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus the 6 13, 13 plus 0 means 13, here 1 carry and then decimal point here. So 1 plus 1, this is a 2, and 2 plus 2 is a 4, and 4 plus 2 is a 6. So here the 6. After this one 9 plus this 3, so 9 plus 3 is 3, means 12. So 2 here 1 carry, 1 plus this 2 means 3, means respective digit places digits we will get added. okay, so 326.32, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 8, how much is the sum of 8 and quarter and 3 and a half? 8, okay, and a quarter means additions, and a quarter means 1 by 4, then and again, so plus 3, okay, so here the 3 and so additions half. okay, so like this one, 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 1 by 2. so first we will do the units addition. So 8 plus 3 is a 11 plus 1 by 4, okay, plus 1 by 2, that we will make the additions, or we can say this is a 0.25, so in decimal, and this is a 0.5. okay, so additions of this 11, so means 0.25 plus 0.5 is 0.75, and this additions of the 11 means 11.75, and this is given in option number 3. Then question number 9, how much is the sum of 53 and 3 quarter? So 53 and 3 quarter means 3 by 4 and 7 and a half and a quarter. A quarter means 1 by 4. So if you make these additions, you will get 61.50. okay, so same as this one, make the additions of this one. So the answer is 61.50, means 61.5. so this is the option number 1. Now question number 10, 275 meter means how many centimeter? So 275 meter, so for this one we have to multiply with the 100, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. okay, so like this one, so it will be the centimeter, so means 275 then 00, then this is a centimeter. okay, so 275 and 00. okay, so like this one, so option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 11, 23 kg subtracted then 350 gram, how many kg? Now here the kg, here the gram, and asking in a kg. So for this one 23 kg means 23.000 subtracted with 0.350. okay, so this is a kg and this is a gram. okay, so 0 as it is, so this is a 10. okay, this is gram, I will note down here. So this is the 10, this is a 9, okay, and this is a 2. So 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 3, 6 decimal as it is, then 2 as it is, and this 2 also as it is, means 22.650 kg. okay, 22.650 kg means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 12, 22,500 mm of the thread is cut at, sorry, A is missing, cut at 14 places. What will be the length of 2 pieces? Now cut at the 14 places, so means how many pieces will come? So with additions of the 1 means there are the 15 pieces. okay, we can say, so means if we divided this 22.500 with a 15, so we are getting this is equals to 150. Okay, so this is a 15 ones are and 15 15s are 225, and then this 00. Okay, so 1500 of the one piece, but asking about the two pieces, so multiply by with the 2, so that is a 3000 Okay, 3000 means we can say 3 meter, because 1000 is equals to 1 meter. So this is given in option number 1. Now question number 13, Arya covered distance of 6 kilometer in 10 minutes. How much distance will she cover in 3 minutes? Now 6 kilometer means 6000 meter. Okay, so divided by 10, so that will be the in 1 minute. Okay, so this is 10 means 10 minutes, so this 0 means 600 meter in 1 minute. Okay, like this one, how much she will cover in 3 minutes, so multiply by with the 3, so 6 multiply by 3 is 18, and then this 20. Okay, so meter. Okay, so in 3 minute. Okay, so 1800 meter, so 1800 meter means option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 14, a tank contains 15 liter of oil, 11 liter 250 ml of oil from it take out, how much oil remain in a tank? So from this 15 liter we have to subtract this 11 liter and 250 ml. Okay, so means 15 liter means we can say 15. Okay, this liter and this is ml we will take, and this is 000 ml, subtracted 11 liter and this 250 ml. So after this subtraction you will get 3 liter and here the 750 ml. So 3 liter and 750 ml. So this is the option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 15, 7 hours 15 minutes equals to how many minutes? So minutes is asking, so we will keep this one as it is. This 7 hours we will convert in a minute. So for this one we have to multiply with a 60, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 7 multiplied by 6 is a 42, and this 0 as it is. So this is equals to the 420 minute. Okay, and additions of this 15, so here the 15 we have to add, so means 435, and 435 minute is given in option number 4. Then question number 16, cinema start at 10:25 in morning, means 10 and 25 am we can say, for 3 hours 20 minutes, lasted for 3 hours, means that is the durations of the cinema. At what time did the cinema end? So 10 and this, sorry, 25 is there. Okay, so additions of this 3 and 20, this is the duration. Okay, and this is the time. So 25 plus 20 is a 45. Okay, and then 10 plus 13 is a 10 plus 3 is a 13. Okay, so 13:45 means we can say 1 and 45, this is a pm. Okay, this is 12 hours and this is in am and pm, so 1 and 45, or we can say this is 13 hour 45. So which is the correct here? Okay, this time is given 13 and 45, so option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 17, a circus giant will revolve 5 times a minute. How many revolution will it take in 7 minutes 24 seconds? So in 1 minute 5 times it rotates. So for one time, one revolution, how much time it will take? So that we have to count. So 1 minute means 60 seconds. We know if we divided with number of the times, or we can say the number of revolutions in 1 minute. So divided by this 5. So we are getting 12 seconds. Okay. So means for one revolution. Okay. For one revolution, 12 seconds. So like this one, 7 minute and 24 seconds. So 7 multiplied by this 60 is equals to 420 plus additions of this 24. So there are the 444 seconds. Okay, so for one revolution 12 seconds. So in this seconds, how many revolution will take? So 444 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12 threes are 13, 6. So 44 minus 36 is the 8 and here the 4 means 84. So 12 sevens are 84. So there are the 37 revolutions it will make. So 37 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 18, liquid ink is sold in bottle, each capacity 125 ml. How many bottles will require to fill 3 liters of ink? So 3 liters means we can say 3000 ml, because 1 liter is equals to 1000. Okay, so divided with 125. So as per this one, you will get 24. Okay, so after this division, you will get the 24 numbers. So 24 means number of the bottles are given in option number 4. Then question number 19, a journey by train from Pune to Kolkata requires 1 day and 20 hours. How many hours does the journey take? So 1 day we have to convert to the hours. So as we know, 1 day means 24 hours. Okay, and this 20 hours also addition. So means additions of this one. So 24 plus 20, it's a 44 hours. Okay, so 44 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 20, if train leaves Pune junction at 4:45, 4 and 45 in evening, means that is a PM, and reaches Agra at 3:40 in the next afternoon. So 3 and 40, it's a PM. Afternoon means PM. How long does the journey take? So this is a starting, okay, and this is the end of the journey, okay, or we can say reaching. Now from this PM to midnight, okay, so we can say the midnight means we can say 12 midnight. Okay, so that is a 12 a.m. okay, and from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. means afternoon, okay, or midday. Okay, midday means the next. From here next day started, and from here up to this one the first day is. So evening to the midnight, okay, so that time we will calculate. From midnight to the midday, that is the 12. So this is the 12 hours, okay, that we can know 12 midnight to the 12 afternoon. From 12 hours so to afternoon 3:40 means the same duration. Okay, so this we have to calculate first. So 12, okay, minus this 4:45, 4 and 45. So this 1 hour we will reduce, and here we will make the 60. Okay, so that 60 minutes we will convert. So 60 minus 45, so that is a 15, and 11 minus 4, that is a 7. So 7:15 is this duration from starting to the midnight. From midnight to the next afternoon, that is a 12 hours, and after this one to the afternoon reaching points is a 3:40, that already given. Okay, so this time duration, this time duration, and this time duration, we will make the addition. So after this addition, so this 12:00, okay, so 3:40 and this 7:15. So 40 plus 15, that is a 55, and this 12 plus this 3 and 7, so this is a 22 and 55 minutes. Okay, so 22 and 55 means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 21, how many years and months makes 3.25 years? So 3.25 multiplied by this 12. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 12 means that is a, we know this is the 3 years completely, but 0.25, so this 3 year we will make a separately. Okay, so and we can say the 0.25 multiplied by 12. 0.25 means we can say 1 by 4 multiplied by 12. Okay, so 4 ones are and 4 threes are, so this is a 3 months. Okay, so in another way, 3 year and 3 months, so that is the meaning. So 3 year and 3 months means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 22, how many hours make a week? A week means we know the 7 days. Okay, and 7 days multiplied by how many hours? So 1 day is 24 hours. So with this multiplication you will get 168 hours. Okay, so after this multiplication means 7 multiplied by 24, so this 168 is given in option number 2. Then 4 grass is equals to how much? As we know, the 1 gross, okay, is equals to 12 dozen. Okay, or in another way, 12 dozen also we know the 1 dozen is equals to 12 sheets. So multiply by this 12 sheets, or we can say the paper. Okay, so that is we know the 144 papers. So now this is a 144 papers like this one, but this is for the 1 gross, but we are asking about the 4 gross, so we to multiply by this 4. So after this multiplication you will get 576 papers. So and this is given in option number 3. Now 2 rim and 2 gross. So this 1 gross already we have calculated here, so multiply by this 2, so that is a 288. Okay, so this value we already got 288 papers. Now 2 rim, so for 1 rim, as we know, 1 rim is equals to how much? 480 papers. Okay, papers. And here the 2 rim are asking, so multiply by with the 2, so that is a 48 multiplied by 2, that is a 96, and this 0 as it is. So 96 plus this 288 we will add, so 288. So after this addition you will get 1248, and these are the papers. Okay, so papers is asking papers, so this is given in option number 4. Now question number 25, how many 50 paise coins will make rupees 35? So 35 rupees we will convert in a paise. So for this one multiply by with the 100, because 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. So that will be the 3500 and divided with the 50 paise. So that is the 50. So 0 gone, 0 gone. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35, and this 0 as it is, means we can say 70 coins will require. So 70 coins means option number 3 is the correct one. Thank you.